The man listed as a person of interest in the death of a social media influencer Anika Slickiana Townsend, Rushane Patterson, otherwise called Chisel, who is a past student of Ross's High School, is no stranger to law enforcement officials. According to an article posted by the Jamaica Observer, dated January 27, 2013 at 12 a.m., he was listed as wanted by the police. The article, which was accompanied by the headline, Hanover Police Seek Rushawn Chizzy Patterson, reads as follows. Lawmen in Hanover are making another appeal for Rushawn Patterson, otherwise called Chizzy, of Chambers Pen District, Lucy, to turn himself into the police. Patterson, who is wanted for several crimes committed in the division, including wounding with intent, assault, kidnapping, and arson, is suspected to have fled the parish to avoid apprehension. He is being asked to turn himself into the Lucy police immediately. Interestingly, Patterson was freed of murder and rape charges in 2017. This story was posted by RJR at 11:52 a.m. on Wednesday, November 8, 2017. The article, which was accompanied by the headline, Man accused of murder and rape walks free after chief witness fails to appear in court, reads as follows. A man who was charged with abducting and raping a woman, as well as killing her partner 4 years ago, was freed yesterday before the St. Andrew Parish Court. The judge threw out the case against 28-year-old Rushane Patterson after prosecutors conceded that they could not find the primary witness. Prosecutors led evidence that about 4 o'clock on the morning of February 9, 2013, the woman and her partner, Andre Roberts, were walking along Cargill Avenue in St. Andrew when they were accosted by men in a motor vehicle. The couple was held up at gunpoint. Mr. Roberts was placed in the trunk of the vehicle but was killed when he jumped from the moving vehicle in a bid to escape. The woman was taken to a location where she was raped and her throat was slashed. She was left for dead but survived and reported the matter to the Halfway Tree police. Following an investigation, Mr. Patterson was held in Halfway Tree Square in 2014. He was later pointed out in an identification parade. At the committal proceedings, defense attorney Hugh Wildman urged the parish judge to dismiss the case as prosecutors were unable to locate the main witness and were struggling to certify the statements in the case. He also argued that the identification evidence was flawed. Mr. Wildman contended that his client, who is a graduate of Ross's High School, was on his way to enroll in classes at the University of the West Indies, Mona, when he was arrested. After giving the Crown time to locate the witness, to no avail, the judge dismissed the case. Additionally, there was another article posted by Loop News at 9:34 p.m. on May 11, 2022, that referred to a 33-year-old Rushawn Patterson of Harvey River in Lucy, Hanover, but I am not able to confirm if it is the same person in question. Also, for the sake of clarity, please note that there is currently some discrepancy as to the correct spelling of his name, as some outlets have it as Rushane, Rushane, while others have it as Rushawn, Rushawn.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!